Steering wheel and driver's side airbag removal, 1996 Honda Civic. Tools required for this job will be a 19mm. We used an impact. You'll also need a T30 Torx. We had an extension for that. Also a pocket screwdriver. Start by removing the plastic access covers on both sides of the steering wheel and underneath. Removing the lower cover gives you access to the airbag connector. Disconnect the electrical connection for the airbag. You now have access to the two T30 fasteners that hold the driver's side airbag in place. Remove those fasteners. With the fasteners removed, you can pull the airbag assembly forward to gain access to the remaining electrical connections. Disconnect those electrical connections and remove the driver's side airbag. With the airbag removed, you can remove the 19mm fastener holding the steering wheel in place. Then you can hit both sides to knock it loose from the shaft. Disconnect any remaining electrical connectors and run them through the pass-through at the bottom of the steering wheel.